guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video, and welcome to a bit of a dilemma. I'm currently trapped in my car. Not so much trapped. I think trapped's a little bit keen. I find it really difficult to close the door because I snapped the door handle here. So you look over this side, you've got a nice little pull lever, and as I pulled it, it snapped in the middle. So I went onto the internet and I purchased a new handle from Mini Clubman. Now it did come with some mounts, but the mounts are the wrong holes, so it's much wider. So today I'm going to fit this so I can close the door without the risk of snapping my window winder. So obviously come prepared with tools, because I'm currently at a car show, and it's really bugging me that every time I'm going to get in the car I've got to slam it using the handle or this, or wind the window down. I say slam it. Slam it's a bit keen as well. Right, so screw all the way out. Oh! Right, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. So this goes into here like so, and that goes into that. Oh! This isn't gonna end well, is it? Right, we're going to need two hands for this, so bear with me.
There's, I think it's a McLaren. You come down that main road before, 6 mile that way, 10
Yeah.
mile that way. Behind the Fiat there, it's 500 or 600.
Yeah.
And then you've got to take it by the black Ascot Cosworth there.
Yes! Right, quite possibly one of the most pointless videos ever, but I fixed it. The handle is now working. I can close the door without having to grab the things. Anyway, I'm now at Cars and Coffee, so I'm going to go have a wander around and check out some pretty impressive cars. There's a lot of things here differently this week than there were last month, so very excited. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Take it easy.